diamonds. I am Saurabh Khandelwal. I am a diamond expert. Today we are going to talk about how to measure weight in a weighing scale. Either it's a diamond jewelry or gold jewelry or diamonds. We will learn today. Alright, let's start. So first of all, you need to make sure that the weighing scale is always 0. Simply press the tear button, which is located in center of any weighing scale, or they will be written O/T. Now we'll take out the bowl, in the weighing bowl, in which we'll keep the jewelry, and then we'll keep this bowl inside back. Remember to always take the bowl out and never to keep the jewelry straight in the bowl inside the weighing machine itself. Reason being, it will lead to less precision in weight, as well as it can harm your weighing scale as well, because weighing scale has a very small needle inside which is actually weighing this whole bowl. That needle may get damaged if you put heavy jewelry straightway into the bowl. So it is always advisable, even if it's lighter or maybe small even diamonds as well, always take out the bowl first, then keep the jewelry, and then keep the bowl back to weigh it. So you can see that the weight is 7.204 grams in this. This is the perfect weight. Now you can take out the jewelry. Even for picking up jewelry, we use forceps. Moisturizer on our hand may stick onto the jewelry, so that's why I use forceps to pick up and keep back the jewelry. Thank you for watching this video. Have a great day.